Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Kitty Textor was born on April 30th, 1999 in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. She is currently 23 years old. Her astrological sign is Taurus. Kitty Textor stands 5 feet 7 inches tall or 170 centimeters, body type, voluptuous. She has a beautiful brown hair and brown eyes color, marital status, unknown, nationality, Australian. Kitty Textor was born and raised in Australia. She is based in Brisbane, Australia. Kitty became active on social media since December 2017 and started her modeling career in 2018. She has modeled for lots of brands like Z's Australia, Mind Tan Body Skin, Target Australia, Shops Sobriquet, Meshki, Princess Polly Boutique, Shoppa, Saturday The Label, Shep, Baseline, Naked Curve, Bamboo Underwear, Dippin' Daisies, V Underwear, Lahana Swim, Playful Promises, MVA Beauty, Ogle Move, Pepper Mayo, Emoceania, Body Blends and more. Kitty Textor has also launched women's clothing brand known as Grace and Lucy. On Instagram, Kitty Textor has attracted more than 50,000 followers to her official Instagram account.